Good day to all. In this today's Jana's coaching class, we will see audit working papers. This is the subject coming for CA, Chartered Accountant examinations, ICMA examinations and so on. See, what is audit working papers? In every audit firms and for any company audit or bank audit or insurance audit, whatever the audit may be, the audit group consisting of the head of the audit person is called the chief auditor. The chief auditor, under his so many persons will be helping for his audit. Some students, those who are all studying chartered accountants examinations, chartered accountants CA course studying persons, they will be gone for like apprenticeship. They will go to work with the auditor during the course of their studies. At that time, the auditor will insist to write so many subjects, what are all you are working, your nature of working, what are all your observations, everything should be noted in a piece of paper or in a notebook. That is called audit working papers. Now you understood the concept of the audit working papers. The characteristics of audit working papers is aid in planning and performance of audit. The main benefits, merits or advantages of audit papers is aid in planning. It helps for planning. How to see, you are going to some place, you have fixed one place, you have targeted to go to, for example, Delhi. Then what is the end route from the starting point to the Delhi, destination Delhi? You have to plan. So I have to go from here to railway station or from here to airport and to catch the train or to catch the flight at this time and I will reach the destination approximately by this minutes, hours, like that. So that planning should be there. The audit working papers is help for the planning to complete the work and good quality of work. Completion of work is not a main criteria. That is the completion of work in a fantastic manner, in a good quality manner. So many auditors are there, but we have to choose who is a good auditor. So many doctors are there. They might be, who is the good doctors, good teacher, like that. So here, this aid in planning and performance of audit. The audit performance will also be a good. Then the second one is aid in supervision and review of audit work. Here, the chief auditor will supervise the subordinates, that is students and team workers, team persons, and the chief will review of audit work. What are all the portions covered by the subordinate persons, the students, what are all the activities covered? Like that, they can review of audit work through these audit working papers. Number 3, this audit working papers is evidence of audit. So this is whether a person does the audit well or within the time. That means the evidence of audit is nothing but audit working papers will help for the same. Under this evidence of engagement. What is evidence of engagement? Engagement is to fix a bridge relation between the proprietor of the business and the auditor. The form of audit report. So what kind of audit report has to be given by the auditor to the company? Whether what are all the companies perform the accounts very well, and standing accounting practices are followed, accounting policies are followed. Like that, so many report they have to write. The company follows this type of depreciation. The company's issue of stock is under this method, whether FIFO or LIFO, like that. Everything has to be given in the audit report. Nature and complexity of client business. So the nature of the business and the complexity of the client business will be, everything will be covered under audit working papers through evidence of audit. Then nature and condition of client records. The client records is scrutinized by nature and condition. So through the nature means how the company is performed on all the months. That is, this is the peak period. The company is doing the business for the seasonal or non-seasonal. Though it is a non-seasonal also, the company is performing in a good manner. Like that, they have to certify it. That is the condition. Degree of reliance of internal controls. Through these audit papers and this evidence of audit, the reliance of internal control is the measuring the degree. How it is good, better, best. Like that, that is comparative or superlative. This has to be measured in this through evidence of audit. Finally, supervision of work performed by assistants. See, assistants are playing role very well in the audit. At that time, they are using the audit working papers. These audit working papers will help the chief auditor for the supervision of their performance of the assistants. This will give more marks to the students for qualifying the examination. And the practices, these assistants, that is the students, they can achieve their goal and grasping their mind very quickly. How the works are quickly grasped by them. This has to be taught by the chief auditor. All this will be covered under the subject audit working papers. Dear friends, this YouTube video channel will be very much useful to you, it seems. Then what you have to do is, if you have not already subscribe this channel, Jana's Coaching, immediately. If you subscribed already, then inform to your friends, relatives to subscribe this channel. Those, their daughter, son, granddaughter, grandson, they might be studying chartered accountants or ICMA or any accounts classes. That will be useful for them also. If you like this, you can give the like button and you can share this to maximum number of persons to improve your life very well. Thank you friends. We will see you in the next class.